Hey guys, I'm gonna be showcasing the revolver. Go G T T G T T G. That's right, I probably don't have to restart my game. Never mind. So these are the revolvers. They have around like 6 shots maybe. Yep, they have 5 shots for each. Mine are loaded. It can one-shot a player, but if it's a small chance to one-shot. If the player's in the safe zone, it does not. It's not one-shot. It'll probably be a 3-shot or 2-shot because it's in the safe zone. It's like a shotgun, but smaller bullet range, and yeah, it's clearly like a shotgun. The shotgun is a very powerful weapon. Where is it? Yeah, there it is. That's the shotgun. This is the revolver. A little quite of a difference with the revolver. Pretty sweet. If you want to load it, you have to. I'll teach you how to load it. I'll teach you how to reload it in a second. If you're wanting to load it for left or right, left it's Y, and right is B, and then you just press your trigger button to shoot. And but yeah, the shotgun is a little bit better than the revolver because the revolver has a lot more ammo than the shotgun, but with the shotgun you can reload it really pretty fast and easily, and it actually one-shots no matter what. And the ammo for it is a little bit over expensive. It used to be just $799, but now it's $1,000. I only have 10K. That's for today's video on the showcase. Jobs. And the job board, of course. And we always gotta showcase the best thing in the game. A landmine.